Today, we're back with another video. As you see, I was supposed to be playing with my friend. He got on the server, but if if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and comment your favorite part. And as you guys know, they just added a new card to Jailbreak, and I already bought it. So we're just gonna, I'm just gonna go to the garage and get it. And make sure if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe if you're watching this video. Alright, let's go grab my Lamborghini. Just gonna grab the Lambo. Just gonna grab some guns first and come back to shoot a cop and get a key card and go rob. And there's still more cars coming, but I hope like the Lamborghini they just added is fine. But I hope they add another 5 car. I hope they like fix the mobile controller thing. Like for driving, probably put some arrows instead of the walking controller. Let me see if I can rob the donut shop real quick and get me some donut and rob him. Okay. I get out of here before some cops get me. Alright, let's head to the garage. I'm gonna grab the car now. Alright. See, there it is, right here. I gotta customize it first. This car is like fire. Like, look at it. Let me show you around this car. Right here, look at it. You can put it in first person too, right? Like, you could drive like this and like this. But I like driving like this. It's kind of hard, but kind of like it though. Yeah, anyway, let's just go grab a jetpack. And I know I didn't drop a video about the last update, the event. It's because I couldn't. But I will drop another video when they have another update. I might have another piggy. I might upload another piggy video. Probably by Saturday or next week. But I do hope they add some new guns, better controller to mobile, and some other new cars. Oh, power plant's open, so I'm just gonna quickly get a jetpack and come rob it. But I ain't gonna lie, this car's kind of fast. On a level 5 engine, it's fast. Like, look at it. It's actually faster than the last Lamborghini that they added. Let me just get lit over. Let me just go get the jetpack. Hold on. Is that a. Oh, I thought that was a cop. Let me lock my car so this dude don't get it. Nah, let me go. Let me go rob power plant real quick. And I hope I get some. Hold on. I hope I get a car so I could get a key card. I could never rob this power plant without a jetpack. Like, it's kind of hard for me. Museum is the easiest robbery ever. Wait, hold on. Oh my god. Alright. So let's go to crime base. I'm gonna go to crime base real quick. So I'm gonna go to the criminal base and this way. Yeah. I'm probably gonna go kill a cop to get a key card or come back to rob the jewelry store. The train is passing. The train is passing. But I gotta deliver this man real quick. Oh, I made it. I thought I was gonna fall in the water. But they just robbed the museum. Come on, open. Okay. Comment if you guys want me to put out another Piggy video or Jailbreak or Fortnite. It's been so long I haven't posted a Fortnite video. And by the way, if I upload another Fortnite video and I'm playing with a default skin, it's because I got my last account hacked. Like I had all the season 3 skins in the season 2, but they hacked my account and I have 500 V-Bucks left. Like I got mad when I found out my account got hacked. Well, hold on, he got a key card. Yes, he does. Bruh, go in. I like this robbery. This is like the easiest one. They're probably gonna walk. Oh, I thought they were gonna walk out and leave me in here because I barely have a key card. What is he doing? He's gonna die. I remember last time sitting in front of that door, and that just killed me, exploded, and I died. I just gotta wait for my money until I get to 2,000 or yeah, until I get to 3,500. Right now, my money is 93,000. Oh yeah, when I bought the car, I had 200, I had 217,000. Alright, alright, it's done. Where's the guy with the key card? Yeah, I'm gonna have to escape through there. If you don't have the key card, I'm gonna have to escape through there. And I kind of hate escaping through there, cause sometimes I fall into lasers. Wait, what the? See, that's exactly what happened when I stand in front of that door. The same thing happened again. It exploded and pushed me all over there. Wait, this dude have mobile garage? How does he have mobile garage but over here driving a Chevy? What the? Oh, let me go back and grab my car. No, actually, I'm gonna try to do something. I'm gonna test the last Lamborghini and the new one. I'm gonna test the Lamborghini, and I'm gonna test the other Lamborghini, the last one they had on jailbreak. See, I'm gonna see who's faster. I'm gonna see who could get to the museum faster. All right, hold on. Okay, gonna start like right there. This Lamborghini kind of fast. It looks like my car's floating. Okay, kind of crashed there. That wasn't fair. But okay, like it took this car like 30 seconds to get here. Don't ask me how I know, because I was watching the time. All right, now let's test the other vehicle. So hold on. All right, let me go get the other Lamborghini. All right, I'm gonna start at that look. I'm gonna watch the time at that little time on jailbreak over there on the corner of my screen. So that's how I knew it was 30 seconds last time. All right, I'm gonna wait until the time change. Actually, I don't have to. I'm just gonna start. All right, it is 6 something. It's already been. Yeah, it's already 15 seconds. I mean 15 minutes. 30 minutes. Oh, that wasn't fair. I crashed. That wasn't fair. Alright. That wasn't fair, but I still could tell this Lamborghini is faster than the last one. Alright, let me test both of them out somewhere else. Like, close to the J store. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I'm gonna test it like down here. To ooh, I'm gonna help him. How did I miss? How did he even get me, bruh? She even said it. How? Like, I literally hit him. But still, I'm still gonna test the Lamborghinis out. And when the new stuff came out, I'm just gonna drop a video on it so you guys could see. Over a second, cause he's wearing that cop costume. I thought he was a cop. All right. Wait, is that a? Oh no, it's not a cop. Yeah, that is a cop. Bro, who over here with a whole rocket launcher? I mean, a rocket launcher, bro. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna test the Teslas out. I mean, the Lamborghinis. I said Tesla. Oh, what do you know? Falcon joined back. Where's he going? He don't even have a key card. I like how this cop just said attack in the chat. Looks like Falcon guy got a key or something. Wait, hold on. Is that? Get in, dude. Alright. Whatever you want to do. But don't get arrested. This dude said some help, noob. I'm gonna grab some guns. Already have all that. So, ooh, there's a car here, and it's a Lambo. So let me just go grab my other car. And Falcon guy's on the server. He gonna help me test out the cars to see which one is faster. So, oh, it's right here. Let me customize it real quick. You see, Falcon got out there. I'm gonna tell him to get the other Lambo. Get the other Lambo. Okay, so he's gonna race me all the way down to the bank. Race to the bank. And both of these cars are on level 5 engines. So let me see which one's faster. Say, go. Is he catching up to me, bro? Feel like he is. But, oh wow, this Lambo probably faster. Wow, this Lambo is faster. Alright, now let me do the last robbery before I end this video. Let me say race to museum. Race to museum. Where this dude at? Alright, trying. Oh wow, other people joining the race. Alright, really? Oh, they slow by the way. Dude, get out my way. Dude, what are you doing? Bro, this dude literally just hitting me like I'm in last place right now. Try to catch up real quick. Hold on, he crashed. The other guy's not even on a level 5 engine. He lucky both of us crashed. This dude not even on a level 5 engine. Oh, wow. I won. This just fly off. Bro, this dude just fly off the road. That's stupid. This man fly off the road. I won. This dude literally just fly off the road. Oh, let's go. They need a jetpack to rob that junk, so. Somebody already set up the alarm, bruh? Let me do this puzzle real quick. Bruh. Oh, this this thing wouldn't even let me. Alright, let me go. This, this. Oh my god. This is kind of hard. Okay. Oh, alright. Just gonna get the mummy. Like, it's the favorite. It's like my favorite thing I like to get when I'm robbing this place. Alright, let me do this real quick. Oh, somebody else is doing it. Come on. Come on, people. What's taking y'all so long, bruh? Tell me that. Tell me he's not still doing that puzzle over there. Tell me Falcon Guy's not still doing that puzzle over there. Oh, let's go. He did it. I hope somebody don't steal my car, bruh. I hope you don't get inside my car. Yep, Falcon Guy did the same thing. Fly off the road, just like that other dude. Oh yeah, I just did the same thing too. Yep, I'm crazy just like them. Yeah, not really. They crazier. Alright, let's return this cash. Yep, I'm going the wrong way. Fly down there real quick. I'm just gonna take the shortcut down there. I'm taking that shortcut down here to the criminal base. This man's Falcon slow. He took the other way. Or not, he probably there before me. I hope I get there. Come on. Kinda hate coming like I kinda hate coming up from coming from all the way to the city to here. Like probably make the robberies like closer. Like put the V base like closer to the city. It's kind of far. Like you probably gonna get arrested on the way there, like in the desert. I be hating when the cops be hiding somewhere and they just arrest you. But by the way, guys, this is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoy and subscribe to my channel.